bomb on, huh?
Yeah, big bag.
Oh yeah, we got
Got movement. Cancel last.
You got a loadout drop inbound.
I'm gonna just use your loading and not get loaded yet.
Hell no. Hell no.
Oh, I'm pushing grannies.
Back.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Tossing smoke grenade.
Oh, grandpa's. Bruh. I got beamed from across the street.
You're not beating the maker just yet.
One. Dang. Oh, on the stairs still. Coming up. Too good, bro.
Stand by for redeployment. You're losing ground. Move it.
Thermite out. I've got you.
Where's my purse?
Oh, I might have picked him up.
Oh, you're good.
Somebody in Granny building.
Bro, this dude over here is getting on my nerves.
Man, I had him broke. These niggas took my kills. They
Squad, you're
hurt
back on
them,
station.
bro.
Good work.
Down him.
I was putting them paws on dudes.
All right, your squad's in the safe zone.
Fuck! Good shit.
Hunt them
Good
down.
shit.
You should hunt down the rest of them.
Last one's over here.
Yeah, I need to be
Slugging
running with him. Where he at?
He's the one I downed. He's gonna do something.
They said, damn, they know where everybody's at.
Area's hot.
Yeah, they probably gonna think we cheated.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Under fire.
There's the bar before on top of
I downed him.
Was he on prison?
Yeah, I downed him. Like
Nice.
something now, but. Oh shit! The whole team is shot. Our teammate,
You're not beating the maker just yet.
our teammate ran right by him, dude. His name was on it. And I thought it was him. Oh shit!
Well done.
And you know, the rest of them. Man,
No, there's one right next to us, bro.
come over. Pull over here. Pull over here. Hell yeah, boy.
Visual on the enemy.
Somebody on us on cops. I said we were in control.
Let's go.
Moving this way.
Friendly precision airstrike inbound.
Damn, I did some stupid shit.
He said, man, I did
Damn, I
some
did
stupid
stupid
shit.
ass shit, man.
Hey, no George joining for us, bro.
Damn, nigga land shit. Damn, some pumps.
Deploying. Well done.
Damn. They Bro, they laying shit down.
Yeah, he's like, they laying shit down, bro.
Gas is inbound.
Off and behind.
Fuck,
I thought he had to reload.
Kill confirmed. We located the rest of them. Some of your squad's outside the safe zone. The enemy is no longer tracked.
Two of them up here.
Enemy
Fuck,
dropping
and that's
into
from
the
without
AO.
prison.
Marking the rest of them. Got reinforcements inbound.
I wish I could hear our teammates, dude, even
Nigga
though...
gonna take kills. Dang. That crack rock nigga got 11 kills, bro. That stupid ass shotgun.
I picked up that gun and it had no bullets.
Stupid motherfucker. Niggas blowing them pumps.
Fire sales active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
That's shooting, bro.
Located the rest of them.
I need shotgun shells.
I'm out of shells, bro.
Get the ammo.
Nine left. Keep the pressure on.
Luke. Oh my
God, he one pump that nigga.
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
Custom weapon here.
No, bitch ass
I need him.
nigga. Smoke, nigga.
What do you want? Nice target. Better than ever.
Bitch, where you fucking came from, nigga?
Located the rest of them. Gas is moving.
I'm fucking prison.
Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
Yeah, I got it.
Loadout drop headed your way.
I ain't got your
Requesting recon flyover.
one gun, but I don't want that.
Fire sales over. Adjusting.
I'm not gonna UAV. We're gonna take over prison, y'all. Everybody right there.
Flanking
Look
here.
how fast I'm running. Dang.
Come on, y'all. This game right here.
UAV is being refueled. RTB at this time.
Hold on, y'all. We gotta gather back up.
Has closed. No more second chances.
Visual on the moving this way.
High value contracts are in play. More risk, more reward.
He's running upstairs.
Where you at? I'm trying to stay with you. Let's go to the roof. Come on.
I'm gonna have to play.
Oh, my game froze. Oh my god.
Yeah, look, I'm chasing his niggas.
Oh, shit.
One nigga left.
Got four remaining.
Only
Station
one person
gas
left.
is inbound.
It's only one person left? In this big ass
This
circle?
nigga got some shotguns.
Oh, I hear you.
Get your squad to the safe zone. No one gets left behind.
Cheap fucking cheese, bro. That shit's too broke.
All enemy squads
That was an
eliminated.
easy
That's a
game.
job well
That
done.
was
And then we
That
got
nigga
the...
like the whole map.
I don't even think it started got disabled.
It did it. I don't think it did either.
He dropped it. I need to make a class for real. It's
That nigga's
More threats en route. Prioritize extraction.